Hey guys, Christy here, and today I want to show you a really neat feature that you can use to remove objects that you don't want in a photo. And it is called Magic Erase. So what you're going to do is click on your photo there, go edit photo, and then here in your Magic Studio, you're going to click on Magic Eraser. So I am going to say I like these things over here, but I don't really want the bracelet. We'll just start with that. And you can choose your brush size. I don't want it to be too big, so I'm going to go ahead and start with that. And then all I want to do is go right over it. And then as soon as you pick up your mouse, it's going to do its job in the background. So there you go. That bracelet is all gone. So now let's say I want to remove these as well. I can do the same here. Just kind of go right around it. I like to go around the edges first and then go to the insides. And you may have to go over it a few times to get it just the way you want it. So that's pretty close. I'm going to go ahead and do that. See if we can get rid of that. So you just sort of keep playing with it until everything that you don't want in the photo is gone, goes bye-bye. So it's like being able to use Photoshop inside Canva. So I love this feature, just for removing little things that may kind of bug you and that don't fit with the whole theme. There you go. It's like it was never there. So that is it. Then you'll click back. And now my picture is here without the bracelets or jewelry that was originally in there. So pretty awesome, right? All right, so I would love to know what you think of this feature. Again, this is a pro feature. It's part of the Magic Studio, but definitely worth it. All right, so don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.